Today I'll be showing you steps on how to insert a page break to your data in Excel. Open up your Excel sheet. Now let's insert a page break here. You click on the cell you want to insert the page break. Then you click on the page layout tab. Now under the page setup section, you select breaks and you click on insert page break, and automatically it immediately appears like this. The page break appears in your sheet and in your data. So friends, that is a simple way to insert page break in your Excel sheet and data. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe for more video tips. Bye guys.